What's good, YouTube? It's your boy T, back again today with another Soul Supremacy beater box, man. We did it again. We got another $1,000 Soul Supremacy beater box. This is only the second one on my channel. Just got lucky. I guess they had a drop with about 11 of them that hit the store. Soul Supremacy had 11 $1,000 boxes that dropped. So I was lucky enough to grab one. And I'm really excited to see what I got in it. Still got the Yeezys from the last $1,000 box. Probably gonna get some more today. You never know, or some human racers or something. You just never know what's in these $1,000 boxes. You guarantee to get something high end for sure. But yeah, man, these are Soul Supremacy beater boxes. I guess I'll explain that to all the new subs, man. These are Soul Supremacy mystery boxes. Straight up mystery. We don't know what's in them. It's just a box we buy in bulk. And just the luck of the draw. You never know what you're gonna get. It's like Christmas every time I open one. I've been doing them for about two and a half, 3 years now. And yeah, well over 100 boxes I've done. So this one, they always surprise me, man. It don't matter if it's a $100 box or if it's a $1,000 box. So we just gonna jump right in, see what we got up in here. The holiday and Memorial Day kind of pushed my shipping back here in Oklahoma. I'm in Tulsa, Oklahoma, so kind of pushed it back a little bit. Off top, I got one pair without a box. I've gotten this shoe multiple times in beater boxes. We got them Air Jordan 5, the alternate 90s. Man, I want to say these are dead stock. Let me see what size they are. I guess that's important. Let me see if I can find it. These are a size 12. Size 12 on the alternate 95 lows. Hopefully you guys can see them pretty good. They look dead stock, man. I'm gonna say they dead stock. No dirt on the bottoms, anything like that. No creases, still got the shoe trees, just no box. Dead stock pair. We got some Air Penny 5s. Air Penny 5s in a size 9. The invisible cloak. These are dead stock also. Size 9. These are dead stock also. Really nice. I love this shoe when it had dropped. These are pretty dope. Penny 5s. Penny 5s. Not bad. Size 9 on those. I already know what this is about a box. Yeah, Air Jordan 1 KO high. Air Jordan 1 KO high. Size 10 and a half. I don't know the colorway or nothing like that on these, but they are 10 and a half. They are dead stock, and it is an Air Jordan KO. Some people actually dig this shoe. I've had them before, and yeah, man, hopefully this lighting ain't blasting y'all so y'all can see. Let me see if I can turn it down a little bit. Let me see, maybe y'all can see a little bit better now. All right, well, I see the money shoe in here. These are some Diodoras. I don't know my Diodoras at all. Made in Italy. I know this is an old brand. These are called the S8000s. Unfamiliar with these. Don't know what they're worth or anything like that. But they are dead stock. So far everything in this box has been dead stock. So that's a good thing about it. Diodoras. S8000 size 10. Size 10 on those. Next up, we got some more Diodoras. V7000 Premium. These are a 9.5. Again, I don't know what they are, what they're worth. If they're worth anything, they might just be filler shoes for all I know. I won't know until after, you know, I do some research on these. But they are dead stock, so that makes it easy for me to list. Size 9.5 on the V7000 Premiums. If you guys want any of these shoes, man, check the description. I have all the prices down below in the description. You can email me, TGOTSOLE@gmail.com, or you can just hit me through the DM on Instagram at TGOTSOLE, and we can work a deal out that way if you see anything. And we got some lace locks in the bottom of the box. I got Pumas. Pumas in Atmos size 10, US size 10. Looks like these are dead stock also. I've actually had these before in a beater box, and I don't even think I shot a video for that beater box. Sometimes I get the boxes in so frequently I don't have time to necessarily shoot videos for every one. But whenever I do find time to shoot them, we get them done. I already know that's the money shoe, so I'm gonna hold that till later. And this right here is a Speed Trainer 2, SLT Speed Trainer 2s. I have no idea what this is. This looks like a dad shoe. This is crazy. This definitely has to be a filler shoe. Speed Trainer 2 Adidas. So far with this box, I have all dead stock shoes, but I don't know what none of this stuff is worth. If it's worth anything, but you know they're gonna get you with the money shoe. We got a 350. Oh snap! I didn't see the colorway. I got a size 9, and from reading the box, I can tell what the colorway is. Hopefully they're in great shape. And we got turtle doves. First time on the channel. Turtle dove Yeezys. I still got my Pirate Blacks from my last $1,000 box, and this is kind of like one of the things I don't like about the high-end boxes, I guess. $1,000 boxes, you know you're gonna get a bunch of filler shoes and then one banger that just comes at the end. I mean, it's still profitable, but it's just like, no, it's not as exciting to me compared to when I get like a $700 box and you know you get a whole bunch of random, you know, J's and stuff like that. With these $1,000 boxes, you kind of know what to expect. You're gonna get a Yeezy or some high end, and then the rest is just gonna be a bunch of filler shoes. But they still are profitable, and I still appreciate Sole Supremacy for what they do for us with the beater boxes. But yeah, so that's my little rant on the $1,000 boxes. These will probably sell really fast. These are size 9, too small for me, too big for the missus, so these will be up for sale. Like I said, all the prices for everything will be down below in the description. You guys make sure y'all get at me. Keep following me on Instagram, eBay at TGOTSOLE. If you don't see the shoes on eBay, I might still have them. I just don't have a lot of time to post everything on there, and a lot of shoes been selling fast for me on GOAT, and you guys hit me up through the emails, so I sure do appreciate that. I think that's gonna conclude this $1,000 box, man. I got more boxes coming in, so if you watching this, make sure you are subscribed so you guys can stay up to date with the boxes. I got 2 more boxes coming real soon, so those will be up. Those aren't $1,000 boxes, but they still should have some heat in them, hopefully. And yeah, man, that about does it. I'm done ranting. I'm out. Peace.